Now, I would like to just say, before we get started, that throughout the course where I talk about whether you should take supplements or not, whether you should detox or not, and so on and so forth, okay, I'm using the best available research. Yes, you might find a study that's might be a poor quality study that contradicts what I say, but that's why I'm using systematic reviews when I can, and so on and so forth. So all I'm trying to say is I've done my best to give you the most accurate information that I can find with the current research. I might have to modify things some, other times we get different studies and research, but I've tried to get the bulk of the studies by using meta-analysis, which you'll learn about, by using systematic reviews. You'll learn about those if you don't know about, through clinical trials and collecting those, that sort of thing. So, and another thing is, some of you may have strong beliefs in certain things that against certain things that I might say, whether it's detoxifying or using this supplement or that supplement. Again, I'd just like to say, I'm taking this from the bodies of research, and not just anecdotal evidence, or a few clients of mine have done really well on this. So I hope you just understand as we get into it that you might disagree with some things because you've had good results and that sort of thing. But again, I'm just taking it from the science and the latest research and the bodies of research, the collections of research, so that I can give you sort of the biggest picture of what we've got, what we know to date.